Hey guys, so this is my very first Get Ready With Me. I want to be clear that this is not a makeup tutorial. This is if you want to look like something when leaving the house, but you don't know how to beat your face like me. This is pretty much my go-to routine right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a brow gel to outline my eyebrows. Please ignore my acne. I'm like 6 months pregnant here and I'm going through it. I then use a spoolie to brush out the brow so it's not too dark. I then go in with a concealer to clean up. I hate it when the concealer is extremely lighter than people's skin tone, so I'm going to use something that's fairly similar. Of course, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. If there's one thing I learned about doing makeup, it's that it's an art. You can't rush the process, even though I do. Next, I'm using primer. I hear it makes your shadow last longer and it also makes the color pop. So I'm going to add a shadow similar to the color of the concealer I used for my eyebrows, just to highlight underneath my brows. Next, I'm going to use a shade of brown for my crease. What am I looking at? I take a darker brown to use at the corners. Now I'm going in with my main color, which will be green, but you can use any color for this part. And that right there is my looking good dance. I'm going in with my blending brush and that same eyebrow highlight to blend in those colors. Next is lashes. I love / hate this part. Make sure you dust off your lashes and remove excess glue if you're reusing your lashes. I'm going to put them to dry while I do my foundation. I just apply enough foundation to cover all my blemishes. Don't forget your hairline and your chin. There's nothing worse than seeing that line of demarcation in your pictures. Now we're ready to apply lashes. Make sure that the glue is semi-sticky before sticking it on and that the lash is secure before opening your eye. Nice and easy. And that's my I forgot eyeliner face. No big deal though, because I suck at doing wings and lashes pretty much make up for the liner. Now I'm applying a highlight. Again, I will not be showing you how to contour. I have no idea how to contour. A little trick I learned for an extra boost is to put some shadow on the inside corner of your eye. It just makes the look pop more, I guess. Lastly, I'm going to cover my hair and finish my face with a setting spray. And there goes my belly. I forgot, I'm going to top it off with lip gloss since I'm not a fan of lipstick anymore. Now for my hair. I'm just going to touch up my edges, which always gets fuzzy the fastest. I'm going to part my hair to the right and add some volume. I'm adding just a little curl to the end since it's raining and my hair will probably drop anyways. there you have it.